Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of display on Pixiv. You will click on settings. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv and you will click here on this page. You will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to